Onions are not only delicious and versatile in cooking, but they also offer several health benefits. Here are 10 health benefits associated with onions. Rich in nutrients, onions are a good source of various nutrients, including vitamin C, vitamin B6, folate, potassium, and dietary fiber. These nutrients are essential for maintaining overall health and supporting various bodily functions. Antioxidant properties: onions contain antioxidants, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, that help protect the body against harmful free radicals. Antioxidants play a role in reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, which are associated with chronic diseases. Heart health: onions have been shown to promote heart health. They contain compounds that may help lower cholesterol levels and blood pressure, reduce the risk of blood clot formation, and improve overall cardiovascular function. Anti-inflammatory effects: the antioxidants present in onions possess anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of onions may help reduce inflammation in the body, potentially benefiting conditions such as arthritis and inflammatory bowel disease. Immune system support: onions are rich in vitamin C, which is known to support the immune system. Vitamin C helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting off infections and keeping the immune system strong. Digestive health: onions are a good source of dietary fiber, which promotes healthy digestion and prevents constipation. Additionally, the sulfur compounds in onions have been found to have antimicrobial properties, potentially supporting a healthy gut microbiota. Cancer prevention: some studies suggest that certain compounds in onions, such as quercetin and sulfur compounds, may have anti-cancer effects. These compounds have been associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach, colorectal, and prostate cancer. Blood sugar regulation: onions contain compounds that may help regulate blood sugar levels. They have a low glycemic index and contain prebiotic fibers that can slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, leading to better blood sugar control. Bone health: onions contain a mineral called calcium, which is essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Additionally, the antioxidants in onions may help reduce the risk of osteoporosis by protecting bone cells from damage. Respiratory health: the sulfur compounds present in onions have been found to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, which may be beneficial for respiratory health. Onions have been traditionally used to relieve symptoms of coughs, colds, and other respiratory conditions. Remember that while onions offer health benefits, individual results may vary, and it's important to maintain a balanced diet and consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Thank you for watching. Do well to subscribe for more health facts.